Momentous visuals, viewers. 17 months in jail, in Tihar jail. Manish Sisodia, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, walks out after being given relief by the Supreme Court, raising slogans there. Let's try to listen into what he's saying. Difficult to pick up what Sisodia is saying there amidst that sea of people, mostly AAP supporters, turning up to welcome him. Scenes reminiscent of when Mr. Kejriwal was released just before the election. In fact, 1 month before the election, Mr. Kejriwal was given relief and he walked out, and he could campaign, of course, for the Delhi leg of the election. That 1 month proved crucial, at least for him, and also, of course, he campaigned in Punjab. It didn't really deliver the AAP those many results, but that was a different election, viewers. Manish Sisodia, now senior most leader after Arvind Kejriwal, will take stock of the party, will give it direction. He already commands a great following within the party, will galvanize the party. Let's try to listen in again to what he's saying, if we can pick it up.
और खासतौर से बाहर के स्कूलों का एक एक बच्चा, देश के स्कूलों का एक एक बच्चा दिल से मेरे साथ रहा है।
For more on this, to get a sense of what Mr. Sisodia is saying, at least prima facie, it seems to be suggesting that he's thankful to the Supreme Court, respects the order of the Supreme Court, is going to abide by some of the conditions, which is, of course, not leaving the country, etc., restricting himself to the union capital. Besides, let's now listen in once again to what Sisodia is saying, viewers.
तो आपके प्यार की बदौलत, आपके प्यार के साथ साथ भगवान के आशीर्वाद की बदौलत, सच्चाई की ताकत की बदौलत, और सबसे बड़ी चीज जो बाबा साहब ने जो सपना देखा था कि कोई तानाशाही सरकार आएगी तो तानाशाही भरे कानून बना के जब नेताओं को, विपक्ष के लोगों को जेल में डालेगी, तो इस देश का वो संविधान जो बाबा साहब ने बनाया था उनकी रक्षा करेगी। एक आम आदमी जो तानाशाही के खिलाफ बोलेगा, तानाशाही के खिलाफ बोलने वालों को अगर सरकार जबरदस्ती जेल में डालेगी तो संविधान बचाएगा, आज और संविधान का रूप आज उस संविधान की ताकत से, सच्चाई की ताकत से मुझे देना नहीं। मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ, इसी संविधान की ताकत से हमारे प्यारे नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भी बना रहे हैं। जेल के ताले टूटेंगे, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के लिए जेल के ताले टूटेंगे, जेल के ताले टूटेंगे। ये संविधान की ताकत है कि हमारे प्रिय नेता, इस देश के लोकप्रिय नेता और इस देश के एक बच्चे के लिए शिक्षा से काम करने वाले नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जल्दी बन रहेंगे। और बाकी बात में हम बात नहीं करेंगे, बहुत भावुक मौका है सबके लिए, लेकिन एक नारे के साथ यहाँ से आवाज दे दीजिए, अरविंद जी तक भी पहुंचे और तानाशाह तक भी पहुंचे कि कह के जेल में भले ही डाल लोगे, लेकिन एक सच जो पिछले 10-12 साल से कायम रहा है वो कायम रहेगा। कि भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल, भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल, भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल। अरविंद केजरीवाल, अरविंद केजरीवाल, अरविंद केजरीवाल। मिलते हैं सब लोग। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Let's go straight across to Ananya. I think Mr. Sisodia has said that he wants to end by celebrating the victory of democracy over dictatorship. And he's ended his address there, preferring to end it on a upbeat slogan. Let me bring in Ananya. Ananya, what are you really getting to hear from the AAP camp on the strategy ahead, and how are they seeing this?
Well, definitely, Rahul, this is a significant order that boosts up not only the Aam Aadmi Party legally, but also politically, because, one of their most senior leaders comes out of the jail almost after 17 months of incarceration, and they are very, very hopeful that, they had to move a bail application for Arvind Kejriwal. Remember that he was denied a release a few days ago from the Delhi High Court, and now the next step was Supreme Court, and they were, anticipating this particular order so as to, take this next step with regards to the STM itself. And now, since this order has come out, this has boosted not only them politically, but also very, very legally as well. And hence, they would be all hands on the deck would be there to actually file this particular plea for Arvind Kejriwal. They are very, very hopeful that they will be, securing a relief from the Supreme Court for the Delhi Chief Minister as well. But today, this order becomes very, very significant because though the court has not gone into the merits of this particular matter, though the court has not touched upon as to what the money trail involved, the evidence in this particular case, but the court has only gone on the fact that, there was a speedy trial that has to happen, and that is something that is a part of natural justice and should be given to anybody, whether it's the CM or a common man under Article 21 of the Constitution. And hence,
With me, of
this
course,
was
the
not
Supreme Court making it quite clear that this bail is unconditional and also has been granted because Mr. Sisodia deserves a speedy trial. Let me go across to Anshul. Anshul, what are you picking up from the ground there?
So yes, just a few moments ago, Manish Sisodia walked out of the jail finally after 17 months. There was a handful of workers of the Aam Aadmi Party that had gathered over there, but since it started raining, the kind of celebration that was being expected from the side of Aam Aadmi Party, that has not happened. Over the next few hours, it is expected that Manish Sisodia will first go to the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister and will meet with his wife, and post that he will go back to his family. And then tomorrow it is expected that Aam Aadmi Party will conduct a grand celebration welcoming back Manish Sisodia, because he is not only one of the most senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, but also he is the person who will now be at the helm of the things as he has now come out. At this point in time, as we speak, Atishi was the person who was looking at the day-to-day work of the government. Now that would eventually be shifted to Manish Sisodia, and he will yet again be back to the helm of things of the Aam Aadmi Party and also of the Delhi government. It remains to be seen how eventually things will pan out for Manish Sisodia, as yes, the allegations against him are still very, very severe in nature, and the bail that has been granted as the investigation of both the agencies, that is CBI and ED.
Before he was incarcerated, Mr. Sisodia held about 17 to 18 portfolios, if I'm not mistaken. He in fact had a huge number of portfolios under him, and he was the Deputy Chief Minister. Is he going to be reinstated in that capacity?
So yes, I took this question to Saurabh Bharadwaj today, and he said that when Manish Sisodia went to jail, they made sure that his khadaos, as he mentioned, were put on the throne of the Deputy Chief Minister and the ministerial post that he was handling, and these were just makeshift arrangements that were made. And now, since he is coming out yet again, he will be handed over those responsibilities back, and he will be the point person for the Aam Aadmi Party in the absence of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.